Hello and welcome to a new video for the SwiftUI learning course. In today's video we are going to talk about padding and spacing. Padding, as we've seen before in this series, adds space inside a view's boundary, pushing its content inward. Think of space around a view. So, if we add the text and we make the text very long, like hello, welcome to this new almost new video. Then it gets really long, like and subscribe to the channel. Then it's really long. So what can we do to not fill it all to the sides of the screen? We add padding, just like that. See? Then it's not all the way to the edge of the screen and it gets pushed inward. Then we can add a background color .blue, for example. Let's add blue. And then we can see it more clearly. The text gets space around it, making the background bigger. This is what padding does. We have modifiers, so you can add modifiers and add it all in here. So you say top, comma 20. That's not 20. 20 or something. Then if it's really long, you add a padding that's 20 pixels wide, or from the top. You can also do the bottom, or just in general a padding for everything. Now the background color gets more space. So that's just something you can do. Just think of top bottom, or dot top, or dot bottom, or just a number. Then spacing is something else. Let's first make a v-stack. Then we get brackets for the v-stack because we will use it later. And this is end of v-stack. Then you get text almost 1 and text 2, for example. So 1 and 2. Yeah, just a normal v-stack like we've learned a couple of lessons ago. But now we add a spacing and we add a value. Does spacing have to be capital? No, spacing with a non-capital S. So now they get pushed away. We can make it even clearer and add the spacing of 120. So spacing gives you some space between the elements. That's what spacing does, and you can use it in combination with padding, of course. So we can use background color dot green. So this is it combined. It was a small lesson today, but sometimes you have small lessons as well. This was everything you need to know about padding and spacing. So I hope you've learned something, and I will see you in the next interesting lesson. And we're going to talk about SF symbols. So make sure you'll be there. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.